Hey everyone, thanks for watching. In today's video, I will be showing y'all how to make these DIY gold and silver leaf planters. As usual, we will first start with everything that you need to make it. Everything will be listed down below in case you were interested. First up, you will need some Terra Cotta pots. These are ones that I already had on hand, but they do sell them at the hardware store, Walmart, and small ones at the Dollar Tree. You will also need gold or silver flakes. I will be using both just to show y'all how they look. You'll need some Mod Podge, which you can get at a craft store or a small bottle from the Dollar Tree, and a paintbrush. A wider paintbrush would be easiest just since we are covering a lot of space. The first thing we're going to do is apply the first layer of Mod Podge. I will be working in sections, so I'm going to lay one layer of the Mod Podge, begin sticking on the gold flakes, and I'm just going to continue that process until I cover the entire pot. I also wanted to show y'all how the silver flakes looked as well. Once your pots have dried, I went ahead and added a thick layer of Mod Podge right on top just to seal it all in and to give it a nice clear coat on top. You can also use some type of waterproof outdoor type of sealant if you were planning to use these outside in harsh weather conditions. I personally am going to use them inside or on my patio so they aren't going to be exposed to any rain or anything like that. I also added the Mod Podge to the lip of the planter as well, and this is how it looked once it all dried. So that is all for my gold and silver leaf planters. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.